Morning, hi. This is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, September 5th. We are expecting high pressure again today through early midweek, although the high pressure will break down a little bit today with the trough passing over our north late today into Monday. As a result, expect fire weather conditions near critical as we have breezy winds in the Central Mountains, particularly this afternoon, and even more so Monday afternoon. The smoke will return a little bit more than what we've seen in the past. Was nice the last day or so, but when west-southwest flow and that ridge breaks down a little bit, we're going to get a return of smoke, and it looks like that smoke is going to remain, although it doesn't look quite as bad as what we've seen in weeks past, but it does look like it will return. The pattern does look better as we go into the weekend. It does look like we have a bit of moisture moving up from our south, some monsoon moisture with a chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms, particularly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right now, you can see there is this kind of a troughing over to our north that's just it's flattened the ridge a little bit this afternoon, and as a result, you'll see a little bit of a wind increase. Still will remain dry. There's no chance of precip or anything. In fact, the conditions as far as relative humidity stay extremely low, well below average, and it looks like that will continue at least through midweek. Yeah, I'll show you those low humidities here in a minute. As far as our matrix is concerned, our outlook, smoke, low humidity throughout. We do have a little bit of wind increase this afternoon as well as tomorrow afternoon. It looks like it drops down a little more in the Snake Plain tomorrow afternoon, so that's why those are in the moderate category. Potential for red flags, possibly for potentially Monday afternoons looks the best, although Sunday, today, and Wednesday are kind of near critical on the wind gust. The ridging builds back in Tuesday, so not looking for really much winds, but then there's another little trough that goes over the top of the ridging, breaks it down just slightly on Wednesday afternoon, so that's why the winds increase a little bit. And then as we start to get a little bit of moisture moving into our area and kind of southerly southwest flows, that high pressure moves off to the east, it does look like have a chance of thunderstorms to start. It looks like it'll start in the Central Mountains. Just a very slight chance on Thursday. The better chances, again, are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's the smoke, our smoke forecast. Here it is through Monday afternoon. Here's today, this morning. You can see kind of a southwest flow to some California. Some of those red values are ones that could possibly bring some visibilities down across the area and bad air quality. And then as you go into Monday, you can see here's the boundary fire kind of responding through the entire time. That's now in our area. As far as our min-RH, well below 15%, which is the critical values. You can see some well below 10%. That looks like that will be the case through Wednesday at least. And you can see the high temperatures today do warm up even more than yesterday, so we're in that 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Here's our wind gusts this afternoon, just approaching the 25 mile an hour critical, but these are more ridge tops, but you can start to see that we'll have a couple hours hitting that 25 especially for the ridge tops. Here's our relative humidity. Our recovery overnight, as far as the max in the morning, you can see is really low. Normally you see that in the 60s or such, but you can see these are particularly in the Central Mountains in the 30%. And so there's also, you can see the afternoon remains really low again as far as the min-RH. High temps on Monday, 90s in some areas across the Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley. And then Monday afternoon, you can see the wind gusts hitting that 30, which is near red flag across the Snake Plain, and then in the Central Mountains is quite breezy. Relative humidity, again, your recoveries on Tuesday morning are quite low. A little bit better than the day before, but still low. And then as far as our RHs in the afternoon, it's again below 15% on Tuesday. Tuesday's high temps do drop a little bit, but not much. We still have some 90s in the Eastern Magic Valley and still well above normal. A good 4 to 8, 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Wednesday, you can see that just a little bit warmer, even maybe that 5-10 degrees above normal. And then Thursday, They do back off a little bit with a little bit of cloud cover coming in right ahead of some of those showers and thunderstorms that look like we're going to have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's Friday's temps. You can see they drop even more, and then we'll be back. We'll even potentially be below normal a Saturday and particularly Sunday. Here's Saturday's forecast right now. That's several degrees below normal, 3 to 6. As far as our precip chances are, again, we have that moisture moving up in southerly flow, southwest flow. So looks like pretty good chances of precip on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Although there's some model differences out there. Some are suggesting now that maybe Saturday would be a little bit dry with a better chances on Friday and Sunday afternoons. My experience has been, though, it looks like once the moisture moves in, there's probably going to be good chances for all 3 of those days, and maybe even lingering into Monday and Tuesday as well. But we will still remain above normal on the temps, is what they have now currently, although I would think that's going to drop down depending on how much cloud cover and showers we have, at least locally. Here's the 8 to 14 day outlook. Again, you see that precip remains north of the Bear Lake region. Southeast corner is the best chance, and then the temperatures are just barely above normal. That's what the outlook is at this point. Just a quick summary. We're looking for very dry air under that high pressure to continue through midweek, and then that's going to promote very poor recovery in the mornings, and then translating to the afternoons, extremely dry air, below 15% critical the whole area, and below 10 on a good portion of the area. Potential fire concerns as we have some waves pop over the ridge, and particularly this afternoon, a little bit of breeziness, and then even more so Monday afternoon, and then some on Wednesday too. And then the smoke starts back up again today. You can see in the west flow, the westerly to southwest flow, it brings back in some smoke, particularly late this afternoon into Monday morning, and then a pattern change on the horizon, bringing good chances of precip over next weekend. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call. This number. Thank you.